Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of computer vision and artificial intelligence with a focus on a cutting-edge model called the Visual Geometry Grounded Transformer, or VGGT for short. Now let's face it, the world of deep learning can sometimes feel like another language entirely. But VGGT presents a bridge, a way to understand and interact with our visual world in a more nuanced manner. So, what is VGT? Well, it's essentially a neural network that can infer all key 3D attributes of a scene from just a few images, or even a single one. Imagine being able to capture the depth, the camera angles, the spatial relationships of objects in a three-dimensional space, all within mere seconds. Isn't that mind-blowing? So how does it really work? Picture this. You're watching your favorite movie, and in one scene, the camera sweeps across a bustling city. VGGT would analyze just a few frames from this scene and instantly recreate or reconstruct the entire 3D structure, including how the camera was positioned and the relationships between various objects, all without needing extensive input. Now let me throw in an interesting tidbit. This model can process images on a large scale, think of hundreds of views, and it does this remarkably fast. It also comes equipped with the ability to track points across these views. So, if you're interested in robotics or augmented reality, you can see how powerful this could be. It's like having a bird's eye view of a scene, and you're seeing all the interactions in real time. I know that might sound a bit complex, but fear not. A big piece of VGGT is its user-friendly design. For developers, you can easily clone the code and start tinkering right away. It's built to allow you to play around with models and inputs. You'll just need a few libraries, like PyTorch and NumPy, to name a couple. If you've ever coded anything, the instructions are straightforward, similar to how you'd set up any other machine learning model. And speaking of ease, there's an interactive web interface called Gradio. This allows you to upload images or videos and run reconstructions in your browser. How cool is that? Imagine taking everyday objects from your home and visualizing them in 3D in just moments. One of the most fascinating aspects of VGGT is how it performs single-view reconstruction. Despite not being specially trained for it, VGGT can deliver surprisingly high-quality results. So even if you just have one image, it can still pull together a 3D structure. Researchers have found it outperforms several state-of-the-art monocular depth estimation methods. But you may be wondering, what about the technical side? For those enthusiasts out there, VGGT does have some notable benchmarks, like handling up to 200 input frames at a time and doing so efficiently. This model is robust enough to work with large datasets, yet nimble enough to provide speedy results. Now that's a combo you don't see every day. As we wrap up this conversation, I can't help but reflect on how rapidly the field of AI is evolving. Models like VGGT are not just theoretical, but practical tools that have real-world applications, from robotics to gaming and even urban planning. They are becoming the backbone of how we visualize and interact with our environments digitally. Before I sign off, I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the potential of AI to shape how we perceive the world? Do you think we are moving too fast, or can this technology lead to groundbreaking developments? Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk today. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning the world around you.